Kobe? McDonald's? No? Where are we going? Do you want to go to the bank? Do you want to go to the bank? Do they give you cookies? Okay. We're going to the bank. There's the bank. Are you excited? Do you want to get a cookie from the bank? Turn the windshield wipers off. Well, come over here and see if they can see you. Come on. Come over and see if they can see you. Tell the lady hello.
Hello, welcome to Wells Fargo.
Hi. They see you. See, this is way better than McDonald's. Yeah. We tell them you want a cookie. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them. So please, can I have a cookie? Is it gonna come down the thing? Is it gonna come? Don't go out there. It might come. You see him? Shh. It's gonna come. You just wait. No, it takes a long time. Still waiting. Say, I'm being a very good boy. I don't know what's taking so long. Bet she's gonna go get you a cookie. Look, here it comes. I bet it's coming. It's the longest day ever. That's all, thank you. All right, here it comes. All right, you ready to look and see if they gave you your cookie? I see Mommy's money. There's your cookie. Sit down. Go sit down. Sit down. Say please. Thank you. All right, good job.